So this is the Prahlad is teaching us. We pray to Prahlad Maharaj because service is not easy to come to that platform of serving the Lord, because we're so much lethargic and lazy and tamasic, and we're just absorbed in ourselves, so we don't have much of the idea to serve anybody, what to speak of God. We're so preoccupied with our own demands. We're preoccupied with our own pushings and demands for our own self-maintenance, that we don't have room or time or heart or mind, to think of someone else or serve someone else. So remembering God is a huge achievement. It's siddhi itself. It's siddhi. It's perfection. He attained perfection in devotion. Shravanam Kirtan Vishnu Smaranam. He was doing Vishnu Smaranam, and Lord saved him. So in this auspicious day we can say, okay, Prahlad Maharaj, Bhakta Prahlad ki jai. Please, I want to ask a blessing. You're a great Vaishnava Mahajan. And he's a Mahajan, right? Swayambhu Narada Shambhu Prahlado Jantako Bhishmo. And then Bali Maharaj is telling in 6th canto, he's telling this to Dwadas Mahajans. Mahajano Yena Katha Sapanta. We have to follow the path, the path of the Mahajans. So remembering the Lord, this is perfection. What does Krishna say in the Gita? Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajit yanti kalevanam. When we throw away this body, give up this body, whatever we remember, that carries us forward. So remembrance is powerful. The power of remembrance can save us from rebirth. Just by remembering the Lord at the time of death, we can go to the Lord. That's the Gita. So we have to pray. We pray the Lord. This is an opportunity to connect. This is an auspicious day of the devotee and the Lord. Because when it's an auspicious day of the Lord, you can't separate the devotees. Oh, it's Gaur Pranim. Okay. What about Advaita Acharya? Is he involved? Oh, yeah, he's involved. And Shachimata, she has something to do with it. Joining with Mishra. So when it's Gaur Pranim, there's a lot of people, a lot of great personalities to remember and pray to. So this day we pray to Prahlad, please bless me that I can start remembering the Lord. And then if I remember the Lord and I can remember you, then maybe if I'm thinking of the Lord, that's the beginning of service. Like I may think, oh, I wonder what Swamiji's doing in Radhakund. Oh, maybe he needs something. Maybe I can get something for him. Oh, let me call him up. Oh, do you need anything from Delhi? Or do you need any service? This or that.